So our company empowers client to interact with customers through understanding their motives, their behaviors, and making sure that we can understand them and can properly connect to them. So our team is responsible of making sure that we can collect all the data required by our customers. We can properly transform it, shape it, and present it to our customers, and then empowers them to make decisions on the data. So we built a lot of data products like modeling, business intelligence dashboard, collecting data. And the whole purpose is empowering our users, whether they are technical, non-technical, so they can access the data they need to make decisions, to help run the business better, to understand the customer better. And then we're starting using dbt to help resolve some of the challenges in terms of scalability, trust issues, latency issues. And then since we implement dbt, we can't expect any easier life than that. The business users are happy, the technical teams are happy, everybody's happy by using dbt. I think the biggest unlock was accessibility, and we have cases in our company where people had no knowledge about dbt, and when we started using dbt, they were able to onboard and learn dbt within a week. So the adoption and the scalability factors is the most, I think, the win components of dbt that we really like. We were facing most latency issues, the pipelines were failing. That was the challenges that we were able to resolve with dbt. The latency were improved. We were able to reduce the latency by 6 times, and now we're using dbt to lower the latency to every 2 hours. And then cost as well. So the infrastructure we were using before is in terms of cost, it was very hard to manage and scale. And in dbt, we were able to reduce the operating cost and the compute cost by 90%. We're running the transformation more frequently, but we are paying 90% less cost compared to when we were only loading the data one setting. And now we're working towards more real-time latency, and we are very confident that dbt will help us reduce even further what we have today. We always look for a tool which is more easily manageable, and as a technical team, you don't have to take the burden to manage all single components, the scalability, reliability, setting up the infrastructure. That's why dbt Cloud was always the first choice. I think the value that someone who is not using dbt, and once they start to use dbt, the immediate benefits they will start to see is how easy it is to set up dbt, how easy it is to get onboarded,